This podcast aims to introduce you to the concept of a team, high performance teams, functional teams, cross functional teams, and the four C's of team development. The concept of a team is not new. A team may be defined as a group of people working together to achieve a common goal. Both management and employee must understand that a corporation is a team and everyone in it must work together to accomplish the corporate goals. To accomplish these goals, corporate team is divided into smaller teams based on the functions, cross functions, and strategic needs of the company. The goal of all the team is to contribute to the corporation's goals. In a business, there are project-based teams, functional teams, cross-functional teams, strategic task teams, and high-performance teams. Project management teams have a starting date and ending dates based on the lives of the project. The composition of a team depends on the nature and life of the project. Functional teams are designed to support the functional areas of the organization, such as marketing, finance, human resources, operations, and technology management. Cross functional teams are formed to support the organization in a business or corporate level issues and require expertise in more than one function. Success of the team. The success of the team depends on its development process. The development process should be simple and easy to follow. The four C's of team development are number one, composition, number two, catering, number three, collaborating, number four, competing. The purpose of the team development process is to form a team that is capable of accomplishing the given task. In the composition process, goal is to select the right individuals who can accomplish the assigned task. The second step is to cater for the team needs, which involves letting the team manage itself by providing with the both tangible and intangible resources necessary to accomplish the task. The third step to encourage the team to work together in accomplishing the task. This may require building the culture of collaboration in the organization. Lastly, the management must show the team how to compete as a team in order to accomplish the task. This can be accomplished by recognizing, rewarding the team's accomplishments rather than individual accomplishment. Why businesses should have high performance teams. Businesses have recognized that there are several tasks that are critical to the survival, and the high performance teams are the best prepared for accomplishing the task. The concept of high performance teams may be new to the business, but it's an old concept that has been used in armed forces for hundreds of years. Good examples of high performance teams in Army and Navy are the Green Beret and the Navy SEALs. Having high performance team does not mean that other teams in the organizations are low performance teams. High performance teams are deployed by corporate level management to respond quickly to accomplish special tasks. All the team must meet and exceed the expectations set by the management. At the same time, a distinction needs to be made between high performance and functional and cross-functional teams because high performance teams require a large investment for their formation and for performing corporate tasks. In business, decisions about investing in teams need to be based on marginal cost and benefit analysis. Four factors needed to make high performance teams. The four factors needed to make high performance teams are number one, motivation, number two, abilities, number three, knowledge, number four, energy. Everyone should have motivation, but the level of motivation differs from individual to individual in performing the assigned task. A high performance team requires a high level of motivation on the part of each of the team members to accomplish the challenging task. However, motivation is not enough to handle a challenging task. Team members must also have the abilities and capabilities to accomplish the task. Next, each member must have the knowledge needed to solve the specific business and management problem because we are part of the knowledge-based product and service market and the economy. Finally, a high energy level is required for high performance teams. Individuals who have the ability and capability to manage their emotion will be able to use their emotional energy to enhance their individual and team performance. Businesses encounter both structured and unstructured problems and issues. Corporate teams, functional, cross-functional, strategic, and project teams have the knowledge and experience and the process for solving the most structured problems. Challenge for the corporation always lies in solving unstructured problems. When a firm is facing unstructured problem and the perception is that it is a challenging issue, it is having significant impact on the value of the firm, and there is a zero tolerance for failure, the company is heading towards PIT. PIT stands for Perception, Impact, and Tolerance. If your company is heading towards the PIT, it's a time to deploy high performance teams to get the business out of it. Thank you for listening to the podcast.